हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू आवर चैनल नीट एनसीईआरटी बायोलॉजी। आज की इस वीडियो में हम देखेंगे एनटी अभ्यास मॉक टेस्ट नंबर 71 के क्वेश्चंस और उसके आंसर्स। ये वीडियो सिर्फ क्विक रिवीजन के लिए है। डिटेल वीडियो फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री एंड बायोलॉजी आपको वीडियो डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएंगे। वहाँ से आप फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री बायो के डिटेल वीडियो देख सकते हैं डिफरेंट यूट्यूब चैनल पे। एनटी अभ्यास के सारे मॉक टेस्ट अवेलेबल हैं, उसके लिए भी आप वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में चेक कर लें। आपको सारे जो मॉक टेस्ट हैं, इस टेस्ट के जो मॉक टेस्ट हैं वो टेलीग्राम चैनल पे आपको मिल जाएगा। टेलीग्राम चैनल का भी नाम है नीट एनसीईआरटी बायोलॉजी। ओके, तो पहले यहाँ पे बायो देखेंगे, then केमिस्ट्री आएंगे, उसके बाद आएंगे फिजिक्स पे। तो अगर वीडियो क्वालिटी आपको लो लगे तो आप वीडियो डोर एप्लीकेशन डाउनलोड कर लें, और VLC मीडिया प्लेयर से अगर चलाएंगे तो आपका फुल स्क्रीन चलेगा हाई क्वालिटी में। तो फर्स्ट यहाँ पे हाइड्रोलाइसिस इज अ रिएक्शन डैश रिएक्शन एंड इन ग्लाइकोलाइसिस एट स्टेप्स द एटीपी इज हाइड्रोलाइज्ड। तो आंसर हमारा ये होगा, यानी कि हाइड्रोलाइसिस जो होता है वो क्लीवेज रिएक्शन होता है, और एंड इन ग्लाइकोलाइसिस एट टू स्टेप्स द एटीपी इज हाइड्रोलाइज्ड। ओके, यहाँ पे एक्सप्लेनेशन बता रहा है कि हाइड्रोलाइसिस इज decomposition or cleavage reaction, and it is necessary for the digestion of large nutrient molecules. In glycolysis at two places, the ATP gets hydrolyzed. In the first step, when glucose is converted to glucose 6-phosphate, one molecule of ATP is hydrolyzed to ADP. And in the third step, fructose 6-phosphate is converted to fructose 6 biphosphate. Another molecule of ATP is hydrolyzed to ADP. सेकेंड नंबर, स्टेटमेंट वन यहाँ पे है, अकॉर्डिंग टू द 2001 सेंसस रिपोर्ट द पॉपुलेशन ग्रोथ रेट वाज स्टिल अराउंड 1.7%। और स्टेटमेंट सेकेंड यहाँ पे कह रहा है, एट दिस रेट इफ पॉपुलेशन इंक्रीजेज देन आर पॉपुलेशन कुड डबल इन 33 ईयर्स। तो ये आंसर यहाँ पे सी होगा, दोनों जो स्टेटमेंट है वो ट्रू हैं। ओके, according to the 2001 census report, the population growth rate was still around 1.7%, that is 17 by 1000 per year, a rate at which our population could double in 33 years. Such an alarming growth rate could lead to an absolute scarcity of even the basic requirements, that is, food, shelter, and clothing, in spite of significant progress made in those areas. Question number 3. How many plants in the given below have composite fruit that develops from an inflorescence? Walnut, poppy, radish, fig, pineapple, apple, tomato, mulberry. तो यहाँ आंसर होगा डी, यानी कि 3. अ कंपोजिट और मल्टीपल फ्रूट इज अ ग्रुप ऑफ fruitlets which develop from the different flowers of an inflorescence. It is of two main types. Uh, Sorosis, example mulberry, pineapple, jackfruit, and cinchonus, that is people, banyan, fig, etc. How many for question number 4, the order of organism in aquatic food chain is? Answer will be D, डायटम, देन क्रस्टेशिया, उसके बाद फिश आएगा, देन सील, उसके बाद बैक्टीरिया। डायटम्स आर प्रोड्यूसर, क्रस्टेशिया इज प्राइमरी कंज्यूमर, फिश इज सेकेंडरी कंज्यूमर, सील इज टॉप कंज्यूमर, एंड बैक्टीरिया आर डिकम्पोजर्स। The vector for tDNA is, answer will be C, is present in organism which grows in soil and is a phytopathogen. The vector is a plasmid or virus DNA used to introduce genes into a host cell where the genes may be amplified, gene cloning, or otherwise manipulated. Agrobacterium tumefaciens is the soil bacterium and a phytopathogen that naturally infects plant at the site of wound and causes crown gall disease, with delivering tDNA from bacterial cells into host plant cells. Red list of plants in India completed by, answer A, by Botanical Survey of India. IUCN, International Union of the Conservation of Nature and Natural Resources, headquartered at Morgan, Switzerland, has 8 red list categories of species: extinct, extinct in wild, critically endangered, vulnerable, low risk, data deficient, and not evaluated. In India, it is uh, completed by Botanical Survey of India, that is BSI. Leaf fall can be prevented by answer C, cytokinin. Cytokinin help in delaying senses. Cytokinin CK are a class of plant growth substances, phytohormones, that promote cell division or cytokinesis in plant roots and shoots. They are involved primarily in cell growth and differentiation, but also affect apical dominance, axillary bud growth, and leaf senescence. During the dark reaction, 3-PGA is derived from answer will be C, RUBP plus CO2. For fixation of carbon, 3-phosphoglyceric acid is formed. CO2 and RUBP. CO2 first combines with RUBP to form unstable 6-carbon compound which immediately breaks into two molecules of 3-carbon PGA. Photosynthetic pigment are located on the answer will be thylakoid membrane. Thylakoids are lipoproteinaceous membrane bound flattened disc embedded into the chloroplast stroma. The lumen or thylakoid space is present within the membrane. A stack of thylakoids is a granum resembles a stack of coins. Each thylakoid is a sac-like structure with an internal space. Two grana are interconnected by long lamella, which is called intergranum or freight channel or stroma lamellae. The light reaction takes place in the thylakoids of grana. The thylakoid membrane is the site of photosynthesis. It contains integral and peripheral membrane protein complexes. Pigments which absorb light energy are also present on the membrane. The protein complexes and the pigments from the photosystems are also present. Thylakoids forms the three membrane system in chloroplast. Exarch and polyarch condition found in answer C, monocot root. Explanation: when the development of xylem takes place towards the center of the axis, or in other words the protoxylem develops towards the periphery, it is called centripetal xylem and the xylem strand as exarch. The vascular bundles are scattered in monocots and hence it is polyarch condition. Exarch and polyarch conditions of vascular bundle is found in monocot roots. Biomagnification of DDT causes decline in bird population by answer D, all of the above, means A, B, C all are correct, bringing disturbance in calcium metabolism, thinning of egg cells, premature breaking of eggs. Biomagnification is also called biological amplification or biological concentration. It is a phenomenon in which certain harmful chemicals gets accumulated in the tissue of organism in higher concentration through food chain. High concentration of DDT disturbs calcium metabolism in birds, which causes thinning of egg cell and premature breaking, eventually causing decline in bird populations. At what temperature milk gets pasteurized? Answer C, 62 degree 62 degrees Celsius. Pasteurization is the heating of milk at 62 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes or at 73 degrees Celsius for to 15 seconds. It kills all the microorganisms of milk. Identify the correct statements with reference to transport of respiratory gases by blood. Answer B. Hemoglobin necessary for transport of oxygen and carbonic anhydrase is required for transport of carbon dioxide. Transportation of oxygen from lungs to body tissue and CO2 from tissues to lungs is vital role of blood transport of carbon dioxide. Most of the CO2 that dissolves in blood plasma reacts with water to form carbonic acid. CO2 plus H2O gives carbonic acid H2CO3. An enzyme carbonic anhydrase present in RBCs which accelerates the carbonic acid formation about 500 times. About 70% of the CO2 received by blood from the tissue immediately enter the RBCs and hydrated to carbonic acid. All carbonic acid of RBCs dissociates into the hydrogen and bicarbonate ions H plus and HCO3 minus. The H plus mostly combined with hemoglobin for keeping the pH of blood 7.4 in steady state, whereas the bicarbonate ion diffuse from RBCs into the plasma. To maintain electrostatic neutrality of plasma, many chloride ions in turn diffuse from plasma into RBCs. This is termed chloride or Hamburger shift. The maximum number of individuals of a population which can be supported with optimum resource for their survival is answer will be carrying capacity. Explanation: carrying capacity is the maximum number of individuals of a population which can be supported with optimum resources for their survival. Uh, Carrying is called carrying capacity of the environment. Growth of population depends upon its biotic potential, death rate, and birth rate. The carrying capacity of Earth for human population is considered to be about 50 billions. The Leydig cells found in the human body are the secretory source of answer will be D androgens. Leydig cells found in testis is the endocrine portion of the testis which are present in between seminiferous tubules secretes androgens or male sex hormone example testosterone. A somatic cell that has just completed the S phase of its cell cycle as compared to gamete of the same species has answer C twice the number of chromosomes and 4 times the amount of DNA. S phase synthesis phase is the part of the cell cycle in which R in which DNA is replicated, but a number of chromosomes does not change. If a cell is diploid, then after S phase, DNA content in the cell will be 4C and chromosome in the cell will be 2N, while in gamete, DNA content in gamete is equal to C and chromosome in gamete equal to N. Hence, the number of chromosome in a somatic cell will be the twice than gamete, while DNA content will be 4 times. First stage in respiration is answer C glycolysis. The first stage of cellular respiration is glycolysis and it takes place in the cytoplasm. Breakdown of glucose into two molecules of pyruvic acid is known as glycolysis. Which of the following is label A? Answer C trophoblast and जो बीच में है वो है inner cell mass. In the given figure is trophoblast are cells forming the outer layer of blastocyst which provide nutrients to the embryo and develop into a larger part of the placenta. Which of the following organs in the human body is most affected due to shortage of oxygen? Answer D brain. Explanation: brain is the most vital organ. It stops functioning in the absence of O2. The brain consumes the most oxygen in the body with 18.4% and the heart 11.6% and the liver consumes 20.4%. The low oxygen environment immediately affects the body's oxygen transport system. Select the correct statement. A. Intine of pollen grain is composed of pectocellulosic in nature. ओके सही है. बी यहाँ पे कह रहा है pollen grains develop from the haploid microspore mother cell in the pollen sex of anther. ये गलत है. diploid microspore mother cell से होते हैं. pollen grains in is pollen grain is diploid unicellular multinucleate and oval shaped structure. ये भी गलत होगा. haploid होते हैं. Pollen grains are generally spherical, measuring about 25 to 50 millimeter in diameter. ओके तो माइक्रोमीटर्स होते हैं, मिलीमीटर्स नहीं होते हैं. तो आंसर विल बी सी, ओनली ए इज करेक्ट, बाकी सारे रॉन्ग है. pollen grains develop from the diploid microspore mother cells in pollen sacs of anther. Pollen grain is haploid, unicellular, uninucleate and oval shaped structure. Pollen grains are generally spherical, measuring about 25 to 50 micrometers in diameter. Pollen grain is a double-layered sporoderm, outer exine and inner intine. The inner intine is thin, delicate, and made of cellulose and pectose. A straight fertilizer is the one which is answer C, having only one primary nutrient. Fertilizers are classified in several ways. They are classified according to whether they provide a single nutrient, example potassium, phosphorus, nitrogen, in which case they are classified as straight fertilizers. Multi-nutrient fertilizers or complex fertilizers provide two or more nutrients, for example nitrogen and phosphorus. A fertilizer which contains only one nutrient is known as straight fertilizer or simple fertilizer. Uh, through which cell of the embryo sac does the pollen tube enter the embryo sac? Answer will be D. Degenerated synergids. Explanation: the pollen tube enters into the embryo sac at the micropylor end. This symmetry may be between egg and one synergid, or between wall of embryo sac and synergid, or through one synergid. So one synergid always degenerated to allow the entry of the pollen tube. Which group of three of the following five statements A to E contain all three correct statements regarding beriberi? A. A crippling disease prevalent among the native population of sub-Saharan Africa, a deficiency disease caused by lack of thiamine, vitamin B1, a nutritional disorder in infants and young children when the diet is persistently deficient in essential protein. D. Occurs in those countries where the staple diet is polished rice. E. The symptoms are pain from neuritis, paralysis, muscle wasting, progressive edema, mental deterioration and finally हार्ट फेल्योर. तो यहाँ जो ट्रू स्टेटमेंट है होगा बी, डी और ई. ओके. न्यूट्रिशनल डिसऑर्डर डाइट में जो होते हैं उसमें प्रोटीन, एसेंशियल प्रोटीन में वो सब क्वासी वर्कर या फिर मेरास्मस काज करते हैं. और क्रिपलिंग डिजीज प्रिवेंट एमंग द नेटिव पॉपुलेशन, ये भी हमारा गलत है. Deficiency of vitamin B1 causes beriberi disease. Beriberi disease was discovered by Edgeman in 1897. Edgeman observed that the disease beriberi occurred mainly in the people subsisting on the polished rice diet. This disease is rare in the world Western world because of food habits and food enrichment. Berry disease is characterized by loss of appetite and weight and vigor retarded growth, degeneration of nerves, muscle atrophy, even paralysis, weakened heartbeat and failure. Select the option which is the exact representation of the picture given below. Answer A. Crustose lichen. Lichens are pioneer organisms on bare rock as they corrode the rocks by secreting enzymes and convert it into soil. The crustose lichens are the first lichen to inhabit the rocks and are called as endothelic. It is a complex life form that is a symbiotic partnership of two separate organisms, a fungus and algae. The dominant partner is the fungus, which gives the lichen the majority of the characteristics from its thallus shape to its fruiting bodies. Loss of biodiversity reduces. Okay. फर्स्ट यहाँ पे है जीन पूल ऑफ स्पीसीज. ट्रू. नंबर ऑफ interactions in the biota. True. Ability of species to adapt themselves to changes in the environment. True. 4. Non-evolutionary advancement. False. And fifth, the surviving and newly evolving species to dangers of extinction. False. Loss of biodiversity reduce gene pool of species, number of interaction in the biota and ability of species to adapt themselves to changes in the environment. It It not only checks evolutionary advancements but also put the surviving species to dangers of extinctions. Which of the following components provide sticky character to the bacterial cell? Answer A. Answer D. A rich glycoprotein layer. Sticky character of the bacteria is due to the glycocalyx or slime layer. This layer is rich in glycoproteins. The capsule acts as virulence factor as it enhances the ability of bacteria to cause disease by preventing phagocytosis. Tendon is made up of answer B modified white fibrous tissue. Tendons are made of inelastic white fibrous connective tissue. A tendon or sinew is a tough band of fibrous connective tissue that connects muscle to bone or muscle to muscle and is designed to withstand tension. Tendons are similar to ligaments except that ligaments join one bone to another. Tendons and muscles work together and can only exert a pulling force. An oval mass of white matter present above the medulla oblongata acts as answer D pneumotaxic center. An oval mass of white matter present above the medulla oblongata acts as respiratory pneumatic center and they are pons varoli. Pons varoli is situated in front of the cerebellum below the midbrain and above the medulla oblongata. It relays impulses between the medulla oblongata and more superior part of the brain, between the hemispheres of the cerebellum and between the cerebrum and cerebellum. It contains center that work with those in the medulla to regulate breathing. Identify 1 and 2 from the given diagram below. Here A first is gram positive bacteria and second is gram negative bacteria. Cell wall thick in gram positive and thin in gram negative. The gram positive bacteria has a thick peptidoglycan cell wall and the gram-negative bacteria has a thin peptidoglycan cell wall. The thin peptidoglycan layer of gram-negative bacteria cell wall is sandwiched between an inner cytoplasmic cell membrane and the bacterial outer membrane. Chorion is composed of answer C outer ectoderm and somatic mesoderm. Chorion is the outermost extra embryonic membrane of amniotes enclosing the embryo and all its other membrane. Chorion is one of the fetal membrane formed during embryonic development period between the developing the fetus and the mother. It is formed by extra embryonic mesoderm and the two layers of trophoblast that surround the embryo and other membranes. The infective stage of malarial parasite Plasmodium that enters human body is answer will be B a sporozoite. When a mosquito bites a healthy human being, the sporozoites infectious form are injected into the body. They reach the liver and start multiplying and forms merozoites in liver cells. They rupture the liver cells and escape into the bloodstream. They digest human blood and produce a toxic metabolic waste called hemoglobin. They digest hemoglobin and release high quantities of free heme which is toxic to cells. So the parasites convert it into an insoluble crystalline form called hemoglobin. The merozoites infect red blood cells and the parasites multiply asexually to develop into ring forms cell trophozoites. Corn is immersed in the boiling water. It is the it is then cooled. Then the solution becomes sweet. It is due to answer will be polysaccharides are converted to monosaccharides. The corn maize kernel comprises of endosperm that is rich in starch. Due to heating effect, the polysaccharides are broken down, dissociated into monosaccharides, which are sweet in nature. A woman whose father is colorblind but mother is normal marries a hemophilic man with hypertrichosis, यानी कि ईयर के पास बहुत सारे बाल हैं, हेयर्स. When percentage of progeny will show genotypically any two of the traits out of the three mentioned above at a given time, answer will be C, 50%. Okay. Let XC be the X chromosome with the colorblind gene, XH be the X chromosome with the hemophilia gene, and YT be the Y chromosome with hypertrichosis gene. The woman receives one X chromosome from colorblind father and one X chromosome from a normal mother. Her genotype will be XXC. The man is hemophilic with hypertrichosis, so this genotype will be XHYT. Their possible progeny will be XXH or YXYT or XXC or XH or XCYT. Genotypically, any two of the traits out of three traits will be seen in XCXH and XCY2 YT. Thus, the answer is 50%. The DNA fingerprinting relies on answer C, difference in the junk patterns between individuals. DNA of human is almost the same for all individuals but vary a small amount that differs from person to person, and that is used by the forensic scientists analyzed to identify people. These differences are called polymorphisms, many forms, and are the key of DNA typing. It consists of variation in the length of DNA at a specific loci called restricted fragment. It is most important segment for DNA test, made up of short repetitive nucleotide sequences. These are called VNTRs, variable number of tandem repeat. These sequences do not code for any protein and they are junk DNA. In which of the following aspect PCR is not leading over gene cloning? Answer C, error probability. In either probability aspect, PCR is not leading over gene coding if standard PCR conditions do not yield the desired Blicon. PCR optimization is necessary to attain better results. A baby has been born with a small tail. It is a case exhibiting answer C, reversion. Atavism or reversion is the sudden reappearance of some ancestral features. Atavism is observed in humans as with the infants that are born with the vestigial tails called a coccygeal process or coccygeal projection or caudal appendage. Which of the following symbol is used for 5 unaffected offspring? Answer will be D. The symbol are used for practically जैसे symbol is used for ये यहाँ पे जो है वो है यहाँ पे symbol used for unaffected male. B here is symbol used for unaffected female. C symbol used for the when the partners are blood related relatives, and D symbol is used for the 5 unaffected offspring. Following groups of symptoms belong to answer will be D, a chromosomal disorder due to extra copy of chromosome 21. The above symptoms are seen in the Down syndrome. Down syndrome is due to extra chromosomal number 21. The labeling A and B for the message are answer will be C, A thallus and B rhizoids. Mosses are the bryophyte which with gametophytic plant body. Example Funaria on the lower portion of leafy gameto, four thallus of mosses, numerous branches, multicellular rhizoids with oblique septa are present. These rhizoids are meant for purpose of attachment or encourage to the substratum. Theory of inheritance of acquired character was put forth by, answer will be A. Lamarck. Lamarck, a French biologist, put forth his views on the evolution of life as a theory of inheritance of acquired characters in his book Philosophic Zoologic, 1809. The speed of migration of ions in an electric field during gel electrophoresis depends on, answer will be magnitude of charge, size and shape of molecules. Electrophoresis is a technique of separation of charged molecules under the influence of an electrical field so that they migrate in direction of electrode bearing the opposite charge. That is, positively charged molecules move towards cathode, negative electrode, and negatively charged molecules travel towards anode, positive electrode, through a medium matrix. This technique was developed by A. Tiselius in 1937. Any charged ion or molecule migrates when placed in an electric field. The rate of migration depends upon its net charge, size, shape, and the applied electric current. The framework system of classification in which various taxonomic categories are arranged in order of logical sequence is called, answer will be A. Systematics. Systematics, the L system order. The comparative study of organisms based on morphology, anatomy, ecology, physiology, biochemistry, etc. is known as systematics. This comprises three fields such as first nomenclature, second classification, and third taxonomy. Systematics is also the science of diversity of organisms from an evolutionary context. Abdominal ganglion in cockroach is not found in this segment. Answer will be C. 5. In cockroach, abdominal ganglia are present in 2, 3, 4, 6, and 7 segments and are absent in 5, 8, 9, and 10 segments. The largest abdominal ganglion in 6th and 7th abdominal segment. In leptotin, the chromosomes are, answer C, attached to nuclear envelope by both ends through attachment plate. In leptotin, the tips of chromosome are generally associated with the nuclear membrane through the attachment plate. The ends of all the chromosomes are directed towards one side and are attached to the nuclear envelope. In presence of cyanide, azide, and carbon monoxide, the rate of respiration, answer A, decreases. Cyanide, azides, and carbon monoxide work as work as enzyme inhibitors, thus the rate of respiration decreases. Choose the correct match from the following. First, co-evolution, endoparasite and host. Second, mutualism, relation of plants and blue-green algae. थर्ड, सेक्सुअल डिसीट सोन बाय ओपोन्शिया प्लांट गलत है. फोर, यहाँ पे कॉलेंस इलेजेंट फील्ड एक्सपेरिमेंट कंपटीशन सही है. 1, 2 and 4 इज करेक्ट. वन लिस्ट में 3 इज नॉट करेक्ट. ऑर्किड्स ऑफ द जीनस Ophrys are sexual deception to attract pollinators to their flowers. Opuntia does not show sexual deception. Co-evolution, endoparasite and host, mutualism, radiation of plants, and BGA Connell's elegant field experiment showed that superior barnacle balanus dominates the intertidal area and excludes the smaller barnacle. Cathamalus from the zone are true. From that zone are true. Melatonin is produced by, answer will be D, pineal gland. Melatonin is secreted by pineal gland present between the cerebral hemisphere. Melatonin concentration in blood follows a diurnal cycle. It rises in the evening and drops at noon. Melatonin lightens and regulates working of gonads. The polarity of the DNA strands from A to B and from C to D shown during replicating shown in the given below would be, answer will be A to B होगा 3 dash to 5 dash, 3 prime to 5 prime, and C to D 5 prime to 3 prime. DNA polymerase required for the DNA replication can catalyze polymerization in only one direction, that is 5 dash to 3 dash. Thus, On one strand, the template will be polarized 3 to 5 The replication is continuous, while on the other, the template with polarity 5 to 3 it is discontinuous. The nuclease enzyme which begins its attack from the free end of a polynucleotide is called, answer will be A, exonuclease. Exonuclease are enzymes that work by cleaving nucleotide at one at a time from the free end of a polynucleotide chain. Statement 1. Flower is an aggregation of sporophylls. Statement 2. Sporophylls are modified in angiosperms. Choose the correct answer based on the above statement. Answer will be both statement 1 and statement 2 are true, but statement 2 is not a correct explanation of statement 1. In angiosperm, sporophylls are organized into flowers. Both microsporophylls and megasporophylls are specialized. The microsporophyll or stamen consists of a filament and an anther. A megasporophyll or carpel is rolled and partly sterilized to produce a stigma, style and ovary containing ovules. This segment of DNA has restriction sites first and second, which creates restriction fragments A, B, and C. Which of the following gels produced by electrophoresis would represent the separation and identity of these fragments? Answer will be B. In gel electrophoresis, nucleic acid molecules are separated by applying an electric field to move the negatively charged molecules through a matrix of agarose or other substances. Shorter molecules move faster and migrate farther than longer ones. Because shorter molecules migrate more easily through the pores of the gel, this phenomenon is called sieving. Hence, C being the longest fragment travels short distance, and A and B are short fragment and nearly equal in size over farther one. In sweet peas, genes C and P are necessary for color in flowers. The flowers are white in the absence of either or both the genes. What will be the percentage of colored flowers in the offspring of the cross, capital C, a small p crossed with a small c, capital P, a small p? Answer will be 25%. It is a monohybrid cross. Sorry, it is a dihybrid cross. We know that capital C, a small p crossed with a small c, capital P, a small p. Male gamete are capital P, capital C, a small c, a small p. Female gametes are a small c, capital P, and a small c, a small p. Hence, ratio equal to 1, color is to 3, white is to, that is 25% colored flowers. The clavicle articulates with the acromion process of the scapula. The clavicle articulates with two bones, the sternum and the scapula. The medial end of the clavicle expands into an ovoid and articulate with the manubrium. The lateral end of clavicle flattens and articulate with acromion of the scapula. The clavicle has a synovial joint at each end. The space within the coiled portion of the membranous labyrinth is called a scala media, which is filled with endolymph. The coiled portion of the labyrinth is called cochlea. The membranes constituting cochlea, the regions and vesicle divide the surrounding perilymph filled bony labyrinth into an upper scala vestibuli and a lower scala tympani. The space within cochlea called scala media is filled with endolymph. The viability of pollen grains is highly variable. The least pollen viability will be observed in answer D, rice. The period of pollen grains remain viable is highly variable and to some extent depends on the prevailing temperature and humidity. In some cereals such as rice and wheat, pollen grains lose viability within 30 minutes of their release, and some members of Rosaceae, Leguminaceae, and Solanaceae they maintain viability for months. In giving double-stranded DNA molecule is 1 lakh base pairs long. The length of this DNA molecule will be, answer will be 3.4 into 10 to the power 4 nanometer. Explanation: the length of this DNA molecule will be 3.4 into 10 to the power 4 nanometer because one complete spiral of the helix is 3.4 nanometer, 34 angstrom long and has 10 base pairs. The ovary is half inferior in the flowers of, answer will be A, peach. In perigynous flower, all the flower holes are occurred at the same level of height on the thalamus, so they are called half superior or half inferior. Example: rose, peach, and prunus. The ovary is half inferior in flowers of peach. A plant exhibits the appearance of brown spot surrounded by chlorotic veins. When is inspected in more detail, it is observed that its calcium translocation to the shoot is also disrupted. The plant is showing toxicity of, answer will be A, Mn. Toxicity levels for any element also vary for different plants. Many many a times excess of elements may inhibit the uptake of another element. For example, the prominent symptom of manganese toxicity is the presence of brown spots surrounded by chlorotic veins. It is important to know that manganese competes with iron and magnesium for uptake and with magnesium for binding with enzymes. Manganese also inhibits calcium translocation in shoot apex. Therefore, excess of manganese may in fact induce deficiencies of iron, magnesium, and calcium. Doctors use a stethoscope to hear the sound produced during each cardiac cycle. The second sound is heard when, answer will be, semilunar valves close down after the blood flows into blood vessels from ventricles. S for second sound, S for semilunar valves. During each cardiac cycle, two prominent sounds are produced which can be easily heard through a stethoscope. Wherein the first heart sound lub is associated with the closure of tricuspid and bicuspid valves, whereas the second heart sound dub is associated with the closure of semilunar valves. ये भी क्वेश्चन जो है पिछले मॉक टेस्ट में आ चुका है. Which animal has become extinct from India? Answer D. Cheetah. The cheetah has become extinct from India. The endangered subspecies uh, Acinox jubatus venaticus lives in Asia, Iran. In 1990, there were reports in the Times of India of a cheetah sighting in eastern India. There is a chance some cheetah remain in India, though it is doubtful that there have also been reports of Asiatic cheetah in the Balochistan province to be unverified. The cheetah prefers to live in an open biotope such as semi-desert, periyar and thick brush. Sickle cell anemia is, answer B, caused by a change in a single base pair of DNA. Sickle cell anemia is caused by a change in single base pair of DNA. Sickle cell anemia is the name of a specific form of sickle cell disease in which there is homozygosity for the mutation that causes hemoglobin HbS. Sickle cell disease or sickle cell anemia or drepanocytosis is a lifelong blood disorder characterized by red blood cells that assume an abnormal rigid sickle shape. Sickling decreases the cell's flexibility and results in a risk of various complications. The correct route through which pulse making impulse travels in the heart is, answer will be D, SA node, then AV node, bundle of His, Purkinje fiber, then heart muscles. In recent years, DNA sequences of mitochondrial DNA and Y chromosomes were considered for the study of human evolution because, answer will be C, they are uniparental in origin and do not take part in recombination. Today, besides the autosomal chromosomes, Y chromosomes and mitochondrial DNA are being studied for the study of human evolution, as they are uniparental in origin and do not take part in recombination. Which of the following equations is wrong? Answer will be dpd equal to op plus tp is wrong. ये भी क्वेश्चन जो रिपीट कर चुका है पिछले मॉक टेस्ट में. The term diffusion pressure deficit यानी DPD is reduction in the diffusion pressure of water in solution or shell over its pure state due to presence of solutes in it and forces opposing diffusion. DPD can be described as actual thrust of cell for water and can be expressed as DPD equal to OP minus TP. Which of the following is an example of example of sex-linked disease? Answer will be color blindness. AIDS is a viral disease which can be transmitted through sexual intercourse. Syphilis and gonorrhea are both sexually transmitted disease. Color blindness is a sex-linked disease. Match the following columns and choose the correct ones. A. Neutrophil. Answer will be 4. Means 2 to 7 lobed nucleus. ये भी important question है. Eosinophil 5 यानी bilobed nucleus. Basophil C 2 to 3 lobes nucleus. D. Lymphocyte single large nucleus 1 और monocyte 3 यानी kidney shaped nucleus. Okay. The placentation in tomato and lemon is answer will be D. Exile placentation. Okay. Placentation is arrangement of ovules within the ovary. It is of different types, namely marginal P, parietal mustard, argemone, exile China rose, tomato, agile China rose, tomato, lemon, and free central dianthus primrose. Zygospores are formed in answer will be D. Mucor. Fusion of uh, cynogametes Rhizopus and Mucor produced a diploid resting spore called zygospores. Study the following columns. Okay. मैथ द कॉलम है तो यहाँ पे आंसर होगा सी. यहाँ पे डिवाइड ऑफ फ्लैजिला का होगा सिंगल स्फेरिकल बैक्टीरियम. रॉड शेप्ड एंथ्रेस काउजिंग बैक्टीरियम. बैक्टीरिया इन पेयर्स निमोनिया काउजिंग बैक्टीरियम. कॉमा शेप्ड क्लोरेला काउजिंग बैक्टीरियम. Okay. Members of which of the following groups are taken to be exclusively marine? Answers D. Protochordata. Protochordata are primitive chordates. All protochordates are exclusively marine. Antigenic determinants sites bind to which portion of an antibody molecule? Answer D. Both light chains and heavy chains. Antigenic determinant sites bind to both light chains and heavy chains portions of and antibody molecules at the variable regions. Fetal ejection reflex in human female is induced by answer will be release of oxytocin from pituitary. Fetal ejection reflex is an accelerated active labor and birth which is induced by release of oxytocin from pituitary. Oxytocin, childbirth hormone secreted by neurohypophysis of pituitary gland, stimulates contraction of uterus muscles, including labor pain for childbirth. When secretion of progesterone hormone declines, making the end of progeny, as the sensory impulse of increasing labor pain reaches hypothalamus, more and more oxytocin is released from posterior pituitary under a positive feedback regulation. Kidney stone are produced due to deposition of uric acid and answer D. Calcium oxalate. Deposition of crystallized chemicals lead to kidney stone like uric acid, calcium oxalate, and calcium phosphate. Alexander von Humboldt gave the relationship between the species richness and its geographical area. Which of the following is the correct logarithm equation for his findings? The answer will be C. Log S equal to log C plus Z log A. German naturalist and geographer Alexander von Humboldt observed that within a region, species richness increased with increasing explored area, but only up to a limit. In fact, the relation between the species richness and the area for a wide variety of taxa, angiosperm, plant, birds, bats, freshwater fishes turns out to be a rectangular hyperbola on a logarithm scale. The relationship is a straight line described by the equation log s equal to log c plus z log a, where s equal to species richness, a equal to area, z equals to slope of the line, regression coefficient, c equal to y-intercept. Zero growth means answer will be a, natality balances mortality. Explanation: zero growth rate means natality, that is birth rate, balances the mortality, that is death rate. Match the biological molecules listed under column 1 with their biological functions listed under column 2 and select the answer which gives the correct combination of alphabets of the two columns. तो आंसर हमारा होगा डी। यहाँ पे ए का एस यानी ग्लाइकोजेन का होगा स्टोरेज प्रोडक्ट। बी आर यानी ग्लोब्यूलिन जो है हमारा वो एंटीबॉडी जैसे इम्यूनोग्लोबिन होते हैं। सी पी यानी स्टेरॉयड जो होंगे वो हार्मोन होते हैं, मैक्सिमम हार्मोन जो स्टेरॉयड होते हैं। थ्रोम्बिन यानी डी का होगा क्यू यानी थ्रोम्बिन बायो कैटेलिस्ट। Glycogen is the main storage polysaccharide in animals. Vertebrate animals store glycogen in the liver and muscles. All steroid hormones are derived from cholesterol by removal of some or all the carbons of the hydrocarbon side chain linked to a cholesterol molecule. Immunoglobulin G is an antibody that freely circulates in blood plasma. Thrombin brings about the conversion of fibrinogen to fibrin during blood clotting mechanism. With respect to RFLP, arrange the following sentences in order. Okay, सबसे पहले सेकंड होगा यानी कि आइसोलेशन ऑफ डीएनए, देन फोर यानी पीसीआर, इसके बाद थर्ड कटिंग विथ रेस्ट्रिक्शन इंजाइम, उसके बाद थर्ड होगा, उसके बाद लास्ट फोर फर्स्ट यानी अगारोज जेल इलेक्ट्रोफोरेसिस। ये भी जो क्वेश्चन है वो रिपीट कर चुका है पिछले मॉक टेस्ट में। RFLP is a genetic marker which is used to detect mutation in DNA responsible for the genetic disorder. The DNA is isolated from the suspect organism and DNA of interest is amplified by PCR. Then it is incubated with restriction enzyme overnight and the digested DNA is analyzed on agarose gel electrophoresis. Okay. The cytoskeletal elements are involved in, answer will be D यानी कि चारों होंगे, amoeboid movement, separation of chromosomes, ciliary movement और formation of cell plate. The cytoskeletal elements are required for the delivery of vesicles to the equatorial region of the cell and provide guidance to cell plate. Vesicles originating from Golgi apparatus travel along microtubules and fuse in a unique manner at the center of the phragmoplast to give rise to new plasma membranes of the two daughter cells. The cargo they carry contributes to the cell plate matrix. Given below are some general characters of chordate. Okay, A. Skin is dry without glands except while gland at the base of tail. B. Warm-blooded homeothermic animals. C. The heart is completely four-chambered with right systemic arc. D. The digestive tract has additional chambers, the crop and gizzard. Identify the animal on the basis of these characters. Answer will be C. Columba. Above given characteristics is that of class apes and Columba pigeon belongs to this class. Echophysis is amphibians, Crocodylus is reptilia, and Macropus is Macropus to the class mammals. The vascular cambium of dicot root originates from, the answer will be A. Tissue located just below the phloem bundles and a portion of pericycle tissue. The vascular cambium is a lateral meristem in the vascular tissue of plants. It is a cylinder of unspecialized meristem cells that divide to give rise to cells that further divide, differentiate and specialize to form the secondary vascular tissue. Vascular cambium of dicot root originates from the tissue located just below the phloem bundles and a portion of pericycle tissue. A plant in which a sporophytic generation is represented by zygote. Answer will be Chlamydomonas. The plant body of Chlamydomonas is gametophytic haploid. It reproduces asexually by zoospore formation and sexually by gametes. Gametes are isogametes which fuse to produce diploid zygote, which is the only structures representing sporophytic generation. In Pinus, main plant body is sporophyte. Same is the case with Selaginella and Dryopteris. How does pruning help in making the hedge dense? Answer will be A. It frees auxiliary buds from apical dominance. Explanation: when an apical bud is present on a plant, it suppresses the growth of auxiliary buds. This is called apical dominance. When in pruning, apical bud is cut offered, the auxiliary bud start growing and hedge become dense. The figure below shows the three steps ABC of polymerase chain reaction PCR. Select the option giving correct identification together with that it represents. Okay, तो यहाँ पे आंसर जो है हमारा होगा सी. यहाँ पे सी जो है एक्सटेंशन इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ हीट स्टेबल डीएनए पॉलीमरेज. PCR is the technique for enzymatically replicating DNA without using a living organism such as E. coli or yeast. It is commonly used in medical and biological research labs for a variety of tasks like detection of hereditary disease, identification of genetic fingerprint, etc. The correct steps shown in the above figure are A. Denaturation at a temperature of about 90 degrees Celsius to 94 to 98 degrees Celsius. During the denaturation, the double strand melts open to single stranded DNA and all enzymatic reaction stops. B. Annealing, binding of DNA primer to the separated strands occur at 50 degree to 65 degrees Celsius, which is lower than the optimal temperature of the DNA polymerases. C. Extension or elongation of the strands using the DNA primer with heat stable DNA polymerases, most frequently Taq polymerase, Thermus aquaticus at 30 to 72 degrees Celsius. Neurohypophysis secretes the answer B. ADH and pitocin. Neurohypophysis consists of supporting cells called pituocytes. Hypothalamic neurons secreted two octapeptides, namely antidiuretic hormone ADH and oxytocin yani pitocin. Which pair of the following belongs to Basidiomycetes? Answer will be bracket fungi and puffballs. The class Basidiomycetes includes those members that produce three basidia and basidiospores on or in a basidiocarp. The possible beneficial aspect of grazing animals is the answer will be addition of their excreta into the soil. Grazing animals are very harmful because overgrazing leads to destruction of vegetation and also cause desertification. The possible beneficial aspect of grazing animal is the addition of their excreta dung into the soil, which increase soil fertility. Which of the following is correct? Answer D. Gametes are invariably haploid. Spores are formed in lower plants by mitotic division and they may be diploid, but gametes are always formed by meiosis and they are always haploid. The cilia in Paramecium are answer C. Longer at posterior end. The cilia of extreme posterior end are long and form a bunch called caudal tuft. The joint of radio ulna with the upper arm is called as answer A. Hinge joint. Hinge joint produces an angular opening and closing motion like that of a hinge door. एग्जाम्पल नी एल्बो एंड इंटरफेलेंजियल जॉइंट्स के भी जो है ट्रिक बना रखा है हमने चैनल पे और डिस्क्रिप्शन में भी डाला हुआ है, तो वहाँ से आप सारे जॉइंट्स जो हैं, पाइवोट जॉइंट, बॉल एंड सॉकेट और हिंज जॉइंट सारे आपको मिल जाएंगे। बेस्ट ट्रिक है और बहुत सारे व्यू भी आ चुके हैं, लगभग 10,000 प्लस व्यू है उसमें, 20,000 प्लस है। ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर हम 90 देखते हैं। आइडेंटिफाई द करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट्स विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू सेकेंडरी ग्रोथ इन डाइकोट रूट्स। ए, वैस्कुलर कैम्बियम arise फ्रॉम द पैरेन्काइमा, सही है। बी, यहाँ पे सेकेंडरी मेरिस्टेम इज नोन एज इंटरफेसिकुलर कैम्बियम, गलत। और सी यहाँ पे कह रहा है द आउटर लेयर ऑफ पेरिसाइकल गिव्स राइज टू द फेलोजेन, ये हमारा सही होगा। और डी है यहाँ पे ग्रोथ रिंग्स आर वेल मार्क्ड एंड डिस्टिंक्स, ये हमारा गलत हो जाएगा। इन डाइकोट रूट्स द वैस्कुलर कैम्बियम इज completely secondary in origin and it originates from a portion of pericycle tissue. The pericycle is a cylinder of parenchyma or sclerenchyma cells that lies just inside the endodermis. Core cambium or phellogen originates from the outer layers of cortex, epidermis and also from the pericycle. It gives rise to phloem or cork on the outer side and phelloderm or secondary cortex on the इनर साइड। ओके, तो ये हमारे थे बायो के क्वेश्चन। अब आते हैं फिजिक्स में, सॉरी केमिस्ट्री में, देन आएंगे फिजिक्स पे। तो वीडियो को लाइक ज़रूर कर लेना, बहुत कम लाइक्स आ रहे हैं। ओके, और जो नए व्यूअर्स हैं प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब करना अगर वीडियो पसंद आ रहा हो तो। सारे आपको यहाँ पे वीडियो मिलेंगे सारे मॉक टेस्ट के, जब तक एनटीए के द्वारा जो मॉक टेस्ट आएंगे तब तक। इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन ऑफ सम एलिमेंट्स आर गिवन। ओके, 1:2, 2:2, 1:2 p6, 2 p6 3:2 और 2:2 2 p3 और 2:2 2 p5। द मोस्ट आयनिक कंपाउंड विल बी फॉर्म्ड बिटवीन। ओके, आंसर विल बी यहाँ पे सी होगा, यानी कि सी एंड ई। ओके, क्यों, देखते हैं एक्सप्लेनेशन। एज डेल्टा ई एन इंक्रीजेज आयनिक कैरेक्टर ऑल्सो इंक्रीजेज, सो हियर सी एंड ई विल फॉर्म मोस्ट आयनिक कंपाउंड। हियर सी इज Mg and E is F, so compound is MgF2। इन विच, अच्छा यहाँ पे अगर आपको डिटेल वीडियो देखना है केमिस्ट्री और फिजिक्स का, तो आप फिजिक्स के लिए सिद्धार्थ सर का आप हेल्पिंग हैंड चैनल है, वहाँ देख सकते हैं, या फिर आरजी एकेडमी अजमेर का है यूट्यूब पे चैनल, वहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं। और केमिस्ट्री के लिए आप जो है वो BICS इंडिया या फिर आरजी एकेडमी, ये सब देख सकते हैं। और KPS चौहान केमिस्ट्री भी है, वहाँ भी आप डिटेल वीडियो देख सकते हैं। यहाँ पे हम क्विक रिवीजन वीडियो है, तो फटाफट यहाँ पे 1.5 घंटा में सारा देखना है, तो फटाफट देखते हैं। बायोलॉजी का तो मैंने पूरा बता दिया डिटेल, तो केमिस्ट्री और जो फिजिक्स है वो फटाफट देखते हैं। एज ऑन मूविंग लेफ्ट टू राइट अक्रॉस द पीरियड इलेक्ट्रॉन एफिनिटी इंक्रीज एंड also the amount of energy released, and it is maximum for halogens, so EA1 of F is greater than EA1 of S. Uncertainty in position and momentum are equal uncertainty in velocity. Answer C, 1/2m under root h by pi. What is the conjugate base of OH minus? Answer will be DO2 minus. How many sigma bonds are present in N2O3? Answer will be B4. The angular momentum of an electron in the given orbit is J. Its kinetic energy will be, आंसर है 1/2 J² by m r²। यहाँ पे मैं सोल्यूशन दिखा दूंगा, अगर किसी को सोल्यूशन देखना हो तो यहाँ पे वीडियो पॉज करके देख सकता है। ओके, which of the following is an inner orbital complex as well as diamagnetic in behavior? Answer will be D, CuNH3 whole 6 3 plus. In which of the following compound is hydroxylic proton the most acidic? Answer will be D. The quantity PV by KT represents, answer D, number of molecules of the gas. यहाँ पे है टॉल्यून, सोडियम लिक्विड NH3O3 और Me2S प्रोडक्ट। आंसर विल बी बी। ओके, हाउ मच हीट इज रिक्वायर्ड टू चेंज 5 ग्राम आइस 0 डिग्री सेल्सियस टू स्टीम एट 100 डिग्री सेल्सियस? लेटेंट हीट ऑफ फ्यूजन एंड वेपराइजेशन फॉर वाटर आर 80 कैलोरी पर ग्राम एंड 540 किलो कैलोरी per gram respectively. Specific heat of water is 1 calorie per gram K. Answer B 3600 calorie. If D represents the bond length, then select the correct relation. Answer will be B. DN2 is less than DN2 plus and DO2 more than DO2 plus. When the concentration of alkyl halide is triple and concentration of OH minus is reduced to half, the rate of SN2 reaction increased by, answer will be 1.5 times. FeCl3 plus potassium thiocyanate gives product. The color of this product is, answer will be A, red. Equivalent conductance of 0.1 m HA acid solution is 100 cm square per equivalent, and that in infinite dilution is 200. Hence pH of HA solution is, answer will be C 2.3. Which of the following reaction is possible? Answer A. CS3Br gives reaction with OH minus. In diborane, the two HBH angles are nearly, answer will be 97 degrees Celsius and 97 degree and 120 degree. Introduction of inert gas at the same temperature will affect the equilibrium if, answer B, pressure is constant and delta Ng is not equal to 0. In the unbalanced reaction, CrO5 plus SnCl2 gives CrO4 2 minus plus SnCl4. The element undergoing oxidation and reduction respectively are, answer C, Sn and O. Which of the following is known as Hinsberg reagent? Answer C, C6H5SO2Cl. What is the equilibrium constant expression for the reaction P4 solid plus 5O2 gas gives P4O10 solid? Answer will be Kc equal to 1 by O2 to the power 5. Phenol and benzoic acid separated by, answer A, NaHCO3. A reaction has delta H equal to minus 33 kilojoule and delta S equal to minus 58 joule per Kelvin. This reaction would be, answer D, spontaneous below a certain temperature. Rank the following in increasing order of rate of reaction with HBr. Answer A, R is greater than P is greater than Q. The pH of which salt solution is independent of its concentration? Answer D, यानी चारों होंगे 1 2 3 4. Find the total number of atoms in one molecule of product formed. Answer will be D, 8. Borate form green color flame when burnt with conc H2SO4 plus ethanol. Green color flame is obtained due to formation of, answer C, C2H5 whole thrice B. The oxidation potential of a hydrogen electrode at pH equal to 10 and pH 2 equal to 1 atm. Answer B, 0.59 volt. What fraction of an indicator HLN is in basic form at pH of 6 if the pKa of the indicator is 5? Answer C, 10 by 11. यहाँ पे है रिएक्शन, यहाँ प्रोडक्ट ए क्या होगा तो आंसर होगा ए. Which of the following can react with both HCl and NaOH? Answer will be D, all of these, यानी ZnOH whole twice, BeO और Al2O3 सारे होंगे. The volume ratio of 6N and 2N HCl required to prepare 100 ml of 5N HCl is, answer will be A, 3:1. The order of living group ability is, answer will be D, सबसे ज़्यादा 4 होगा, उसके बाद 3, then 1, उसके बाद 2. The backside attack on 2-bromobutane by methoxide CH3O minus gives the product shown below. Which Fischer projection represents 2-bromobutane used as the reactant in this reaction? Answer will be D. The correct relationship between the free energy change in the inner reaction and the corresponding equilibrium constant K is, answer will be A, minus delta G naught equal to RT ln K. The solution containing 500 gram of protein per liter is isotonic with solution containing 3.42 gram sucrose per liter. The molecular mass of protein is 5 × 10 to power x. Here x is answer will be C 4. ये भी जो क्वेश्चन था आ चुका है पिछले मॉक टेस्ट में. The IUPAC name of this compound answer will be A 4 ethoxy carbonyl paint 3 enoic acid. The density of 3M solution of Na2H2O3 is 1.25 gram per ml. What is percent by weight of Na2H2O3? Answer will be 37.92. Which of the following polymer is not synthesized from acidic monomer? Answer will be D. Teflon. 40. Which of the following solid has maximum melting point? Answer will be C. SiO2. Which of the following sequence is not correct for the property mentioned against it? Answer will be C. सबसे ज़्यादा Al then Ga, उसके बाद इंडियम सबसे कम होगा थैलियम. स्टेबिलिटी ऑफ +1 ऑक्सीडेशन ये जो है हमारा नॉट करेक्ट है, बाकी सारे सही है. जो क्वेश्चन है पिछले मॉक टेस्ट में भी रिपीट कर चुका है. A mixture of cyclohexane and ethanol shows. Answer will be C. Positive deviation from Raoult's law. Okay. 43. The value of the spin only magnetic moment for one of the following configurations is 2.84 bm. फिर से देखते हैं. The value of the spin only magnetic moment for one of the following configuration is 2.84 bm. The correct one is answer will be D. D4 in a strong field, a strong ligand field. The reason for the distinct difference in the property of CO2 and SiO2 is answer will be B. Carbon has a small size and forms a pi bond with good overlap, whereas silicon has larger size, hence has a poor pi overlap. यहाँ पे रिएक्शन है प्रोडक्ट ए ऑफ रिएक्शन क्या होगा? आंसर विल बी ए होगा यहाँ पे. ओके, तो सारे थे हमारे केमिस्ट्री क्वेश्चंस. वीडियो को लाइक नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ लाइक कर देना, और नए जो व्यूअर्स हैं प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर देना. देखते हैं फटाफट फिजिक्स का. According to Bohr's model, what determines the shortest wavelength in a given series of wavelengths emitted by the atom? Answer will be B. The quantum number nf that identifies the lower energy level into which the electron falls from a higher energy level. The frequency of X-rays, gamma rays, and visible light wave rays are A, B, and C respectively. Then answer will be A. A is less than B and B is greater than C. The position vectors of two identical particles with respect to the origin in the three-dimensional coordinate system are r1 and r2. The position vector of the center of mass of the system is given by answer will be D. r1 plus r2 by 2. Two heating coils of resistance 10 ohm and 20 ohm are connected in parallel and are connected to a battery of EMF 12 volt. The internal resistance of 1 ohm. The power consumed by them are in the ratio answer will be C 2:1. A ball of mass m equal to 0.5 kg is attached to the end of a string having length L equal to 0.5 meter. The ball is rotated on a horizontal circular path about the vertical axis. The maximum tension that the string can bear is 3 to 4 Newton. The maximum possible value of the angular velocity of ball in radian per second is answer will be D 36. A body of mass 1 kg is connected to a string and is undergoing a complete vertical circular motion of radius 1 meter. If uh, it is barely able to complete the vertical circle, then the difference in its kinetic energy at the top of bottom of the circle is answer will be 20 joule. The potential difference between A and B in the following circuit is answer will be A 4 volt. A circuit consisting of three identical lamps connected to a battery as shown in the figure. When the switch S is closed, then the intensity of lamps A and B, answer B, C, will increase by more than 2 times. A current of 5 ampere is flowing at 220 volt in the primary coil of a transformer. If the voltage produced is produced in the secondary coil is 2200 volt and 50% of power is lost, then the current in the secondary coil is answer will be A 0.25 ampere. The diagram shows a square loop of side 0.5 meter and resistance of 10 ohm. The magnetic field has a magnitude B equal to 1 Tesla. The work done in pulling the loop out of the field slowly and uniformly is 2.0 second each. Answer will be A 3.125 into 10 to the power minus 3 joule. Two positive ions each carrying a charge q are separated by a distance d. If F is the force of repulsion between the ions, the number of electrons missing from each ion will be E being the charge on the electron. Answer will be C 4 pi epsilon naught F d square by E square under root. A hollow insulated conducting sphere is given a positive charge of 10 microcoulomb. What will be the electric field at the center of the sphere? The radius of the sphere is 2 meter. Answer will be A 0. A particle is kept at rest at a distance r, Earth's radius, above the Earth's surface. The minimum speed with which it should be projected so that it does not return is answer will be C G under root gm by r. A car accelerates from rest at a constant rate alpha for some time, after which it decelerates at constant rate beta and comes to rest. If the total time elapsed is t, then the maximum velocity acquired by the car is answer will be d alpha bt by alpha plus beta. The surface temperature of the stars is determined using answer will be Wien's displacement law. 2 moles of an ideal gas at 300 Kelvin were cooled at a constant volume so that the pressure is reduced to half the initial value. Then, a result of heating at constant pressure, the gas expands till it attains the original temperature. The total heat absorbed by gas, if R is the gas constant, is answer will be 300 R. If 50 calorie of heat is supplied to the system containing 2 mole of an ideal monoatomic gas as shown in the figure, then the rise in temperature is R equal to 2 calorie per mole Kelvin. Answer will be 5 Kelvin. A bar magnet is cut into two equal halves by a plane parallel to the magnetic axis. The following physical quantities, the one which remains unchanged is answer will be C intensity of magnetization. A wire of arbitrary shape carries a current I equal to 2 ampere. Consider the portion of wire between 000 and 444. A magnetic field given by B equal to 12 into 10 to the power minus 4 I cap plus 2 into 10 to the power minus 4 J cap uh, exists in the region. The force acting on the given portion the wire is answer will be B, and this is explanation. The ratio of magnetic field due to a smaller bar magnet in the end on position and broadside on position is answer will be D2. Stone is released from an aeroplane which is rising with upward acceleration of 5 meter per second square. Here g equal to 10 meter per second square. 2 seconds after the release, the separation between stone and aeroplane will be answer will be C 30 meter. An artillery piece which consistently shoots its shell with the same muzzle speed has a maximum range R to hit a target which is R by 2 from the gun and on the same level. The angle of elevation of the gun should be answer will be A 15 degree. The rod length AB is moving with ends remaining in contact with frictionless wall and floor. If at the instant shown the velocity of the end B is 3 meter per second towards the negative x direction, then the magnitude of the velocity of the end A will be answer will be B under root 3 meter per second. A block of mass 1 kg lies on a horizontal surface in a truck, the coefficient of a static friction between the block and the surface is 0.6. If the acceleration of the truck is 5 meter per second square, find the frictional force acting on the block. Answer will be A, 5 Newton. Alpha particle of energy 5 megaelectron volt is scattered through 180 degree by a fixed uranium nucleus. The distance of the closest approach is atomic number of uranium equal to 92. Answer B, C, 5.3 × 10 to the power minus 14. The half-life of a radioactive sample is T if the activities of the sample at a time T1 and T2, T1 is less than T2 or R1 and R2 respectively, then the number of atoms disintegrated in time T2 minus T1 is proportional to. Answer B, A, R1 minus R2 into T. The length of the magnet is large compared to its width and breadth. The time period of its oscillation in vibration manometer is 2 seconds. The magnet is cut along its length into three equal parts, which are then placed on each other with their like posts together. The time period of the combination will be. Answer will be A, 2 by 3 seconds. In a sample pendulum, the breaking strength of the string is doubled. The weight of the bob is reached from rest when the string is horizontal. The string breaks when it makes an angle theta with the vertical. Answer B, C, theta equal to cos inverse 2 by 3. A metallic surface ejects electrons when exposed to green light of intensity I, but no photoelectrons are emitted when exposed to yellow light of intensity I. It is possible to eject an electron from the same surface by. Answer will be B, green light of any intensity. Light of energy 2 electron volt falls on a metal of work function 1.4 electron volt. The stopping potential is. Answer will be A, 0.6 volt. Hydraulic lift works on the basis of. Answer C, Pascal's law. In hydraulic press, radii of connecting pipes R1 and R2 are in ratio 1:2 in order to lift a heavy mass M on larger piston. The small piston must be pressed through a minimum force F equal to. Answer will be C, mg by 4. An object is placed at a distance of 20 cm from the pole of a concave mirror of focal length 10 cm. The distance of the image formed is. Answer will be C, minus 20 cm. Time taken by the sunlight to pass through a slab of 4 cm and refractive index 1.5 is. Answer will be D, 2 into 10 to the power minus 10 second. A solid ball rolls down a parabolic path ABC from height h as shown in the figure. The portion AB of the path is rough while BC is smooth. How height will the ball climb in BC? Answer will be A, h equal to 5 by 7h. A solid ball rolls down a parabolic path ABC from height h as shown in the figure. The portion AB of the path is rough while BC is smooth. How high will the ball climb in BC? Answer will be A, h equal to 5 by 7h. A circular disc rolls down an inclined plane. The ratio of rotational kinetic energy to total kinetic energy is. Answer will be 1 by 3. A PN junction in series with a resistance of 5 kilo ohm is connected across a 50 volt DC source. If the forward bias resistance of the junction is 50 ohm, the forward bias current is. Answer will be D, 9.9 milliampere. Uh, Current in the given circuit will be. Answer will be B, 5 by 50 ampere. What is the molar specific heat capacity of a gas undergoing an adiabatic process? Answer will be A, 0. Which of the following is dimensionless? Answer A, V square by Rg. If there is zero absorption in the Polaroid and if the intensity of plane Polaroid light coming out of Polaroid is A square, the intensity of the incident beam will be. Answer will be C, 2a square. In Young's double slit experiment, one of the slits is wider than the other, so that the amplitude of light from one slit is double of that from the other slit. If Im is the maximum intensity, what is the resultant intensity when they interfere at phase difference phi? Answer will be Im by 9 into 1 plus 8 cos square phi by 2. Two sound sources are placed along the diameter of a circle of radius r. R is more greater than 4 lambda. How many minima will be heard as one moves from the perimeter of the circle? Answer will be A 16. In the diagram, the intensity of the waves arriving at D from two coherent sources S1 and S2 is I naught. The wavelength of the wave is lambda equal to 4 meter. Resultant intensity at D will be, answer will be C 2 I naught. हाउ मच, लास्ट क्वेश्चन है फिजिक्स का और वीडियो का भी. हाउ मच वर्क मस्ट बी डन बाय ए फोर्स ऑन 50 किलोग्राम बॉडी इन ऑर्डर टू एक्सलेट इट फ्रॉम रेस्ट टू 20 मीटर पर सेकेंड इन 10 सेकेंड? आंसर विल बी 10 टू पावर 4 जूल. ओके, ये सारे थे हमारे फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री और बायो क्वेश्चंस. वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो प्लीज़ लाइक कर देना अगर लाइक नहीं किए हो तो, और जो नए व्यूअर्स हैं प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर देना, क्योंकि सारे अपडेट आएंगे आपको एनटीए मॉक टेस्ट के. जिन्होंने एनटीए मॉक टेस्ट का पीडीएफ नहीं लिया है तो आप डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स चेक कर लें, सारे आपको एनटीए मॉक टेस्ट मिल जाएंगे. और इस टेस्ट का जो मॉक टेस्ट है, मॉक टेस्ट का जो आंसर है और पीडीएफ है वो भी आपको हमारे टेलीग्राम चैनल नीट एनसीईआरटी बायोलॉजी पे मिल जाएंगे. ओके, थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग, हैव अ नाइस डे.